This topic is super simple. It is, we're going with a green pen, I guess. It is lifetime value of a consumer. Lifetime value consumer. So this is a term that's extremely simple because it's defined in a really effective way, because that's what it is. It's how much a given consumer is worth to your company over their entire lifetime, which is essentially their relationship, or how often they're buying, not how often, but how long they buy from your company. The example here would be if a consumer comes into your store and they buy a gourmet lemonade from your lemonade stand and it's $10, and then they move on with their life and you never see them again, their total lifetime value is $10. Alternatively, let's say you could subscribe a consumer to Lemonade for $10 per month. That consumer is going to be worth $120 to you per year. And if you can maintain that subscription for, I don't know, 10 years, that's a lot of lemonade, but maybe this person now is worth over $1,000 to you as their lifetime value of that consumer. Why do you want to know that? Why is this important? What is this relevant to? Essentially, if you can determine how much of a consumer, how much value they're worth to you, you can make better decisions. If you know this value, you might spend some money to acquire that consumer. So let's say the subscription consumer is kind of a tough sell. You got to advertise them, you have to convince them, send them mailers, run commercials, whatever it is. However much it costs to do all that, let's say it's $500, it's probably worth it on average if that consumer, their value to you over the lifetime is worth, more than that. That would be a worthwhile thing to acquire them. So it's a general term that encompasses how much a consumer is worth to you, and it's most useful to describe or to help you make better decisions in consumer acquisition.